Hello, my name is Risa, and today we are going to talk about two very important vowel sounds. Those are A and A. A and A. Okay, I'm going to start with the vowel sound A. To pronounce the vowel sound A, you need to spread your lips, open your jaw, and place your tongue low, near to the floor of the mouth. The vowel sound A might not exist in your language and may be difficult for you to hear and pronounce. Also, irregular English spelling patterns are likely to cause confusion. Example, if you say A instead of A, hot will sound like hot. And if you say E instead of A, bad will sound like bad. Passive pronunciation problems. When pronouncing the vowel sound A, remember to spread your lips and open your mouth. But don't open it too wide, or you will find yourself substituting A. That is the next sound we are going to be discussing instead. Vowel sound A at the beginning of words. Apple, angry, absent, animal, ask, add. Vowel sound A at the middle of words. Back, past, rapid, land, classmate, hard. Now pay attention to the vowel sound A. A. To pronounce this vowel sound, place your lips completely apart in a jawing position. Place your jaw lower than for any other vowel and flat your tongue on the floor of the mouth. Passive pronunciation problems. Irregular English spelling patterns are the main reason you may have pronunciation problems with the vowel A. The letter O in English is frequently pronounced A, like the O in father. Examples: if you say O instead of A, not will sound like not. And if you say O instead of A, not will sound like not. Remember to open your mouth wider than for any other vowel sound when you pronounce A. Examples: A at the beginning of words. Honest, odd, owen, option, artist, arm. A in the middle of words. Fox, lock, march, stop, hot, top. The vowel sound A does not occur at the end of words in English. The letter O followed by B, D, P, T, or CK is usually pronounced A. For example, robins, rod, stop, lot, and pocket. The letter A followed by R is usually pronounced A. For example, farm, alarm, card, start, and R. This is all for today, and I hope that you have understood the difference between the vowel sound A